Are you learning Spanish? Here is the box set video of important verbs in Spanish. Are you serious about learning Spanish? If you are, you need to binge watch this box set now. Vámonos. Important verbs in Spanish, set number 1. Acabar de. Acabar de. To have just. Acabar de, infinitivo, to have just done something. Comenzar. Comenzar. To begin. Continuar. Continuar. To continue. Dar. Dar. To give. Darse cuenta de. Darse cuenta de. To realize. Deber. Deber. To must or to have to. Decidir. Decidir. To decide. Dejar de. Dejar de. To stop doing something. Echar. Echar. To throw. Empezar. Empezar. To begin. Important verbs in Spanish, set number 2. Estar. Estar. To be. Hace or hacen falta. To need, to be necessary. Hacer. Hacer. To do or to make. Hacerse. Hacerse. To become. I. There is or there are. Hay que. One must, one has to, or it is necessary. Ir. To go. Ir a plus infinitive, ir a plus infinitive means to be going to do something. Irse. To go away or to leave. Necesitar means to need. Important verbs in Spanish, set number 3. Ocurrir. To happen. Pasar. To happen or to spend time. Poner. To be able or to can. Poner. To put. Ponerse a. To start doing something. Querer. To want or to love. Quisiera. I'd like. Saber. To know a fact or to know how to do something. Seguir. To continue or to follow. Ser. To be. Important verbs in Spanish, set number 4. Soler. To regularly do something. Tener. To have or to own. Tener lugar. To take place. tener que, to have to do something. Volver a, to do something again. Volverse, to become. If you found that video useful, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel?